Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this really cool air purifier that I think it could be really good if you have pets. For example, if we have cats, and this one is super quiet, so that's really good for them just to not get scared. But the other thing that I want to show you about this one on a close-up is that it goes up to, let me actually do this, 3,000 square feet. So that is really good just to know that you can actually put it in a kitchen, on a living room or something like that. And this one will be really good for that, especially if you're going to be cooking like a steak or something like that. This one will help you to clean that air. Let's take a closer look if she allows me. So as I was just telling you before, this one is really quiet. It comes with a few things. For example, you can see it comes with a handle right here. Right now it's on auto mode. So if you put it in auto mode, it's gonna be doing everything by itself. So it's gonna measure the air quality, showing you some different colors here. And it's gonna tell you what's the air quality in your house. So that is gonna be the auto mode. You can actually change the fan as well. You can change the mode. It has a lock for kids in case that you care about that. You can also change the display, turn it on and off, and it also has a timer. So the other thing that I like is right here, you're gonna have that compartment. You're gonna actually take it on and off if you want, and it has a little place for you to drop some essential oils if you want. So this one may be an air purifier that you can also transform in an aroma diffuser as well. So that is really cool. And here's what that filter is gonna be. So you're gonna have everything here and the filter, which you can replace as well, or you can just check that one and see how it's going after all day working out. If you wanted to put it all day working out, you can actually do it, but check how the filter is. So one more time, I gotta tell you that this super quiet air purifier that goes up to 3,000 square feet, it is really good for pets, but also really good and convenient for your home as well. I like it and I totally recommend it.